Hello guys, this is Kherk Roldan, and in this video, I'm going to share with you the premium SEO checklist that I created for our clients and also our prospects, but you can also use this one for your client's project. It's either their website or GMB. Now, please use this because this is what we are using to audit the prospect before becoming them as a client. And this is really great, guys. Why? One of the reason is that it ensures the consistency across the project because you can use this as a checklist for the deliverables that needs to be delivered for your client's project. And then if you follow this, I'm sure you can also get the result, prevent missteps, save time for execution, because if you will create checklists like this, you need more time and effort. Like it could take days or months, depends how knowledgeable are you in SEO. But if you are not knowledgeable in SEO, it's important that you need to follow this. Okay, and then you will create your own strategy, depends on you, but at least you have a guide now that is working because we use this for our prospects, we use this for our clients, but then again they are very happy with what we provided. So you can keep task organized here, track the progress, reduce human errors, or help train your new team members or members, and align everyone in priorities that you really want to finish. Want more leads from Google? Go to KherkRoldanSEO.com. I'll find what's holding you back and develop a custom strategy for free. So let's dive more deeper in the checklist that I created for you guys. So as you can see here, this is version 1 because I need to improve this all the time. Okay, resources section. If you want to know more about what I do, what we do, so you can check all of this previous right here. Okay. And then if you want to get the premium SEO checklist, this is the URL where you can download this one. So go here at KherkRoldanSEO.com, premium SEO checklist, add your info here, and then you can download this. Now, let's go to the checklist. So this is the basic information of the client, like the business name, the website, GBP, keyword ranking, and also recommended service. Let's say you are closing your prospect right now. So you can use that. You can use this and create a video. Hey, this is France, and this is the audit that I created for you. And you need to walk them through the process. You need to walk them through how you did or created the audit and everything. I will also show you that later on. You need to add the business name of the client or the prospect. But first, you need to go to File, make a copy, and then you can name this like SEO checklist for domain.com or website.com. You can add that. Here, you need to add the business name, the website. If you are only doing the website SEO, no GBP, you can remove this one. And then you can also add the keywords because clients has a keywords that they want to rank. No, so you can add them here. You can ask that rankings. If you can provide a ranking for your prospect, then you can add them there as well, so they will get notified. Okay, that's the ranking right now, and you can have a pain points. All right, so I categorize this section. You can remove this if you want. I will allow you to do that, so you can customize this the way you want it to be. If you want to remove something, it's up to you. Feel free to do that. So I categorize this section. This one, client info. This one is basic setup, keyword research, and I have this section right here for GBP. So guys, if the prospect they don't have a GBP or local, then you can remove this section right here. They are not a local client, no? So you can remove this section, then delete. All right, it's up to you. But if they are a local business, then just follow this process. Okay, I also added the homepage optimization, the on-page, the user experience, the content, the technical SEO, the link building. So what you can do here now is to go in this section. These are the SEO strategy that you need to apply. I added one by one, no, for each of this category. Like for the keyword research, what you need to do for keyword research, right? You need to do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, do this, because this is very important that you need to follow for keyword research and analysis. GBP as well, and guidelines. So if you don't know how to do that, I also added a guidelines here where you can follow that. And then stages, meaning let's say for example, if they are let's say this, fill up the intake form. So since they are not your client yet, you need to add them as not started because they are not your client yet. And then here, if they are set up, you can add completed, and then you need to check that. So the status will also change from pending to done. So not started meaning pending, meaning they are not done yet or you are not implementing that at the moment. But this section right here, if they are your prospect, meaning you don't have access to this, right? Because they are your prospect. Stop guessing SEO. Join the SEO Mastery Circle and get step-by-step strategies that gets results fast, just like I do for top websites. So first, you can leave this section blank, and during the recording of the video, you need to explain it to them that this section, since I don't have this yet, we need to move forward in the keyword research section. All right, you can do that. You can skip that. And I also encourage you, you cannot just submit this to your client, but create a video so the client can see what you are doing, and also they will understand how are you going to apply this to their website. Because if you will just send it to them, they will not understand how this works. Impact, if they are not going to apply this, how impactful this right here. Like say for example, keyword research. So it's, if 3 is the highest, so meaning it impact a lot. And then tools, so I also added what tools I recommend to do that step or section. And then this one is to follow the video SOP. Right now I'm still creating that one. I also have an SOP or an SOP for each of this that you can avail here if you want. But in your recording, you can leave this or you can remove this section. Status, meaning if they are done or pending. Notes, this is your personal notes if you want to know how they do it, so, or how you do it, or what's the problem, so they will be guided what needs to be done in this section. And by services, this is optional, but you can also still follow this one because I added here all the links that we have, because each of the section we have a service related. So as you can see that one, but you can customize this, you can change it with your own link or delete that one. It's up to you. So this is for GMB. And then this is for the homepage SEO. Now, let's proceed here with keyword research. So, for example, after checking the audit in Ahrefs or SEMrush or whatever tool you use, and then you can see that their keywords are not good or not relevant, then you need to fill up here, make a list of seed keywords. So, they are not started, right? So, add it not started. After checking all of these pages, like there's nothing here that is going on, then you need to fill up not started. Basic information, again, you don't have access to this. And here as well, this is for if they are your client already, you need to fill up this information. But if they are not your client, you can skip the section or remove that. It's up to you. Here, homepage. So this is how are you going to optimize the homepage for the website. So after checking the homepage, they are not optimized with title tag, then you need to put not started. If they are optimized, you can add completed again, and then click this to make it complete. But completed, change that first, then check it. So that's how you do it, guys. No, yeah, feel free to customize this. Again, if you want to download this premium SEO checklist, go to this URL, Kherk.roldanseo.com, then premium SEO checklist. Or if you have a website or a client right now, it's either GBP or website or local SEO, go to the section strategy session, and I'm going to provide you an in-depth solution or step-by-step, or check that website or GBP, what are the problem, how are you going to fix that, and provide you a recommendation what you need to do to improve that. So go here and then book for a call. And then, by the way, we have a white label SEO, and we have multiple clients right now who avail the service. And just go here, guys. So the process is choose the service, fill out the intake form, begin the work, and we provide you white label. Meaning, if you are an agency owner right now or planning to have one, we will help you deliver work or do the fulfillment side and send it to you with the white label reporting. So you can just send that to your client, but it's already done or completed. If you want to know more how this works, click this link and then schedule a call with me. I will discuss the process and how we work and also the rates. So, but we will also make sure that you can also make money by partnering us. All right. So go here, and then if you have questions, let me know. Thank you. See you on my next videos.